The purpose of the course is to create simple games and animations in Scratch. Scratch is a free online platform provided by MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It aims at teaching kids how to program. It says that the users can be from the ages of 8 to 16 years old, but honestly, anyone can give it a try. Scratch is visually appealing and fun. It is a great alternative to watching TV or playing games because it stimulates learning and creativity. Here is an example of a Scratch animation made by Zenva. The name of this Scratch project is Ocean Story. The instructions say to click on the flag to begin the story, so I click on the green flag and I watch. You can see other examples made by Zenva by going up to the top, clicking on the search, and typing in Zenva and hitting enter. As you can see, there are various projects by Zenva. Each one has the title, says that it was created by Zenva, and its date of publication. Many of these examples you will learn how to make in this course. So let's get started by creating a Scratch profile. You need a web browser and an internet connection in order to make your Scratch profile and program within the website. So let's go to the home page. The home page is scratch.mit.edu. I go up to the top and I click on where it says Join Scratch. Here it says first to choose my username. It is important that you don't use your real name, so I will make the username Amazing Zenva. Then I need to choose a password, and the password has to be at least 6 characters long. Then I hit next. Now it asks you to give your birth date, gender, country, and email address. It may be necessary for children to receive help from their parents at this time in the process. So I will put in my birth date, and I was born in November of 1984. I'm a female. I live in the United States, and my email address will be one of Zenva's. Then I click Next. It says, "Thank you for joining Scratch," and okay, let's go and get started. This course is brought to you by Zenva. Zenva also has a lot of courses on programming and game development, some of which are free, so learn more and get access by going to zenva.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/zenvadev, or you can follow us on Twitter at @zenvatweets. In addition, Zenva has a YouTube page in which you can see many of the game course demos and get access to some free courses. We are really excited to have you in this course.